Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through my latest trades with politified crypto coins and how I've been navigating the market with this upcoming presidential election. So before I get into the trade, I want you guys to know a little bit of the context. Understanding that there's a narrative here at play, things are starting to heat up as we get closer to this presidential election, which will occur November 5th this year. Some news that might be a catalyst to jumpstart a rise in these politified coins. We have Trump that promises full support for crypto. This article came out May 9th, which caused this huge breakout off this 550 zone. Now, let me just state that whatever your political beliefs are, we're just profiting off this meme culture. It's not necessarily about voting for Biden or for Trump, but this is just satire. The market really doesn't care, and we're just here to make money. It's no different from trading the dog coins, the cat coins, the frog coins. I'm just here to present an opportunity, and this is not financial advice. So here's the setup. Once you have found a narrative, you want to look for price in a coin that has retraced down to about 61.8%. For those of you unfamiliar with Fibonacci, there's a handy tool that you can measure with on most trading platforms. Just take the most recent swing high-low if price is in an uptrend and vice versa for a downtrend. You want to wait for price to retrace into this zone like I have highlighted here on my chart. I was able to capture about 300% on this move. Once I took some of those profits, I moved it over to the TREMP coin. I saw that there was another opportunity because it had pulled back at a support zone. The target for this trade was the 618 fib extension, which represents a strong resistance point. Scaled out of that, which if you get in, this would have netted you a potential 150% return. So after that play, I turned my attention to BODEN. This coin experienced a 50 to 61.8 drop. It's always a good measure to start scaling in these levels. So I compounded some of my profits into this. I might hold until closer to the election. My longer term targets would be around the $1.50 range. And if you're feeling very optimistic, around $3 would be that target. However, if you're like me looking for a shorter target, I'd be getting out at the 618 zone, which would still net you about 150% return. So let's say that you did get in on Trump and you bought in at this zone right here. You were able to capture 300%. And let's say you put in $1,000, right? So let's do some math here. $1,000, and you were able to capture 300% of that, you would have netted $3,000. And then let's say that you put those profits and you moved it into TREMP, and you were able to get in at this pullback right here in this zone, and you were able to capture about 150% of that move. So you put in the $4,000 that you had, and then you were able to capture 150%. That would have netted you $10,000 in total, including the $1,000 that you originally had. So now the next play that I'm doing right now is BODEN, and I'm just trying to capture 150%. I don't know if I'm going to hold it for another 10x. It might go to the 1618. We don't know, but if I were to just capture that 150% from all the profits that I had made, that $10,000. Oops. Okay, let me do this again. So $1,000 plus the 300% from the Trump move, and then plus the 150% from the TREMP move, and now you're going to do this BODEN play, which we're just trying to capture 150%. If you were to do that, your total would have been will be $25,000. That's crazy. Just from compounding our profits. That's a 25x gain just from 3 trades, guys. I mean, obviously it's not perfect, as some of you may be DCAing into these plays, but these returns are still insane if you know technical analysis. So tell me what you guys think. Are you guys trading Politify coins? What are you guys trading? Share me some of your ideas. If you guys like this kind of stuff and found this video helpful, please comment below and like and subscribe.